power of the
mechanical ya se menye sa fe no aba na se wo feel se enne me beka no kra kire na na grada won de yo ba first o su bempa prophet one opambo mu feel se me ka no kra kire wo mu a mo share video de mame be pa ma chewa edu 250 a sa time no ye beka no kra obi se obati wa please bien. Ask Tender TV why they block me. Oh, about block us. What kind of crash them? Everyone, Makasante, at saying, me baba, compensate me babo, me be crumble, and be one day zigzagging in a go. Meba Wana Shisha, Shisha, no block or I. What kind of crash there, woman? No. Eni pampa no kre age nada me the 250 wow feel some me obetu me nka no kre pa nche prophet one na me nka no kre nche owu bempa na me nka no kre nche nana grada no mo share video no so pega na yi a sanya me obetu a me dwi me my Ghana ho na share the video bom yankoya nim as asamba enipa na eka denya ne beka come out and curse us again, we don't care. Me wuwa mama me wuwa manipa maka no kra ene mawuo be konya me ho me kwa na narrator okuna du obe bloko me say wakwa kan no kra wo ho no se enya atam didie na okodi ye ne abloko ene ye no kra na okwa kan ye dia obe bloko hey the bath what is saying elkuma eya freme me say aka kedu abi na edru 250 ho kono oh dorata wona abeka chem say eye owu tu bempa ne agrada edie be na wo mo fridi prophet one atem enye prophet one obi akara asem wo Ghana wo fi no nti boyna no wa fi ne de na che se akosofo no ho pa ahyesofo no ene menye bias bia wa ha me be ka no kra che nipa edina adam bebe bo wonya mesumponi no na be yo kromfo wonya mesumponi Ghana they block half of Facebook about block me platform senya tembidie na wo bedi die e na wo be kire do adwen I will never block you because everybody have a they are entitled to their own opinions. Yes, adwene krame no Rasbi at say adwene krame no different from what wo hwani obi adwen ko say ye na ye Ghana for ye yehia enanka ye toatoa ye ho adwen me ka bitu wonom na wona me nya adwati betro obati wa asem we ya wo ka die me no nya adwen se no watro na ko ba bi enya ntokwa enya hwe owu su bemba de ze we ze ntokwa si Ghana na sa asofo no na dia bi ntokwa ana munimon ze ntokwa esia wa okoka nkremofu asem enenye nyame na fa akwam na chief imam ye papa hwede nke kukura baso wa hu ekofi afiriye boko de Kumasi Vandam emechiawo owu bempa de ewu mementano makachire mo menta sofo no ene meka mo kura kire wo bia wo mo miansa nyina me se meka no kura kire wo aka tempe na edu 250 fire But the ever start here prophet one so because on no video and I'm post on my wall. Prophet one of Pambo. Prophet One Opambo, the self-acclaimed nation blogger, nation prophets. Mamenka Bibin Chiro. It's about time you should put a stop to some things. Share, young Ghana for Numbi. Ebi ni nyansa, ebi ni nyansa. Sebi na frache. Akwantufu ene womu no. Wonse wutu be menka se ga what ga na woni nyansa o. Ebi ni nyansa but wutu kwanya emwani bie mo. Enti eya na isi ehu nyema bia hayen. Enyame anim haye pa. Medical Bible nte be ka opambo prophet one say oye comedian. Odwen ekofo dwen sameboa. They are false prophets. Okay? They are false prophets. Nanka Bible ne kura wo mu no. Ebi asam na Bible ne ka wo ka no usu bempa betna Elijah. Enkwala ni ko huru no. Eno wo order sisire fisirem ewuram ema no bere enkwala no wherever usu bempa. Are you Elijah? Are you behaving like Elijah? Bibisao. Are you behaving like Elijah? You are comparing yourself. You are quoting that quotation to your we Ghanaians. Is Reverend Owusu Bempah behaving like Elijah or Elisha? Is he behaving like one? No. Eya na be class na say okotu quotations are. Na no eya me wanwa. And people who took their time, have their time to watch this mad dogs and comment on it. I have to insult them today because what they are doing, no, they deserve insult from we Ghanaians. What they are doing, they deserve the biggest insult of their lives. Sure? Opambo, Mameka Zeminchiro. Sa Sebe, Oba Muna Udidi na Temuno. This time is justice for women. We have to talk. So who you Oba? Nasa Obama. Oba na awu wabuso menkron. Oba ni wabuso menkron. No one who wa bury ase. Nasa toku na ofi mu ba yeri ano. Wodi di oba fo fratama. Prophet one who patch like say. Na prophet one no kwa nya mahi. Eka sa chief no kan ho no. Chief. Whatever was so for chief. My God, my God. And with people still took their time and visit this church. You call this a church. You call this a house of God. This is a house of Satan. Believe me. A house of Satan. When you go to that prophet one and that's what they are. Musa Sofi, I can miss some papa pada. I am na the yesterday. Abroje wano ya stressing your grab. I want to call your Musana. Yeah, baby, entertain but it's not funny anymore. It's getting out of hand. Mameka baby chilo. Nana agrada mementa agrada. Sika gari na metain. And na mameka no planchira mo. Obia obedwe se babeka agrada asemti emitane bia no boa. Menta agrada, but the fake sika gari na metain. Because me pen okre. Wo kan okra. En shani ya mo. Che eni pe be hwe wo no. Se wo kan okra. De bia eni pe be ba be hwe bas. Se wo twantro, da bia wo twantro. Na de be buasi mu no. Ya wo bia be wo se wo di ntro no. My sister, my brother. Akokra me hwe. Sa da tie. Akokra me hwe. Mameka se minjira mo. It's about time. Ghanaians, presenters when you are there was some can because if you go to collect you Prophet One TV and what station wa Ghana or yin wo TV so man obi ahwe agrada wa TV station ya wo yim obi ahwe bi na wa imagine say wo ma eno nananom eti Ghana na so wo mu hwe bia the next generation and tia de no ombeye opambo wo so we so for che o su bempa. The only thing I can remember is that we are so fortunate Owusu Bempa because the whole Ghana Obia enim say Owusu Bempa said onim nyansa. Obia says Owusu Bempa or yes smart. He's not smart enough to control that position now. Or the actual want to say or a nation prophet or Debbie. Or yes smart. He's not smart enough for that position. Mameka be been child and the bitter truth and I'm baby catching it from here. Me mameka say me chire me nkola abrem wo ya me bonia e was say be yaw times dia what here me say me yaw bi e ma ne ko zigzaga mu dedem one day me mame frère me no say ya abraha ye ti we bra na me ko e was ya Bible chire me say wo yonko yo boni a facha no 7 times 7 I would was 7 that's 499 times Obambo was we yourself for chai o su bempo but be bisa be God name nim say all the time o su bempa pre a prophet one all the time o su bempa person wo tie prophet one any dia so e wo Ghana all because say ono so friend who prophet one to my knowledge you know prophet one edi ka friend who nation prophet and san Owusu Bempa wo kwache NPP from 4 years year na wo friend who nation one nation prophet no bia amfra wo sa NPP aban ba ya na uhwi gina ye say a nation prophet but opamwo Ebenezer or friend who enyene videos na me share enra no adia wo moku wo ye superior asa asafo ne mienu no adia wo moku e wo ye superior obi abeka se we ne ye prophet one we e na ye kronkron no e ma fa ye se wunuma bedi wachi asafo etwane kwatie na oponi di no Bible papa ni atro sa na ma e wo obetru mutafre senye yezitafu wo bedroom senye yezitafu wo baase ensam na prophet wa meka no fa ni atro e wo Bible na ekura ni I know some teachings are good I know some teachings so what chire enyema bi won ma na but are you too much it's about on your telling no it's all about sex boni wiase niama. So what you say? I didn't know what you know. I mean, think obi aba counseling wo ho me chire. But dia wo chia wo de to public no enye obi a na aware o. O encourage nkofo menkofo ko bo adwaman. O encourage nkofo menkofo ko bo adwaman. E sha safu radio ni monyam. Meboa ebuka encouraging crop wo mo ko badwaman eche asafo awrade animonyam minim se de wo ye do be ko heaven because so kire nkrofo se ne oba mesitafre wo ba trumu se ne oba timitafre wo ba makote ho se ne sa no kanensam enti se maka bi wo me platform so amfa ncheme why na any prophet one enu kwada nchen na agrada the moment of truth share say uni text came Debbie ejuma na wo ye no ntimi nye withdraw die wow The bitter truth to part and I'm catch agrada. Our quick temper. Na got our quick temper. And yes, me Adam one year started your videos. You try to videos 2 years. Menyama me free say. Menyam me free say at there so. Menyam I was having diabetes in pregnancy. I know what they that one. And everybody and I mean that kwabana be try to come video. I be cancel and I fell kubla and your bathroom and I apart from it to and I why I say and I said nedros as it be and I said you be cancel when you na go. I said I work I want to mean take. I work I want to mean stand it na grada. I work I want to me oh I want to me 2 years of that dirty blogging about one person. Then any back any pamiensa woman kwara. That's what they were doing during my pregnancy. Away you. During my pregnancy, you like upon what? Oh, Obi can say empenasem, and I said no. Agrada, share my make us a minchel. When you thick skin, pa wuni be. O temper e was slow for adwuma na wode to ho so aside akom na wo yen. You were here to expose fake pastors everywhere. Dear adwuma na social media so no. Exposing them no ka say pastor bia na obahwema. If I were you Uncle Betty di watem no eni kwan sen ka so because what be kan won samawie. Madam, wo your bow. Wo your bow in your bema. Would to me go to wardrobe. Ya can't have been from me to match a baby or very abatement. And near my cat, I'm made social media. What was my baby? Mamma, because between me also. And you do back and I'm a baby, but I rather all the car I could be in the wardrobe and I will train the name of government. Madam, grow up. Jimmy Eva Cassia is saying, Madam Nini, grow from what you are doing. Move forward. Say, I do my father to say, oh, Pastor Winje. When you media to come out to say, war as a comfort. Who know this a Juman amount say ja. Tanagrada, I was a boat to now we not thick skin. I'm a Jumano. Because the going will be tough. The going no say I couldn't anymore. Ain't easy man because blogging business ain't easy. Obi obeka to say, what you camera na walk on obwa. Spiritual side, physical side is not easy. My sister, my brother, Danagrada, what about the Dibema can find? We know also Bampa, also Bampa, dear. So for also Bampa, and say there's also a domain. The most useless man of God I've ever seen in my life. Also Bampa. Baby, I'm going to Ghana, be as out of one. Yo, chica, over one I also been put the ginum. One of the assam the buy. Pap don't call it. I got that don't sorry, ding. Also been put the board appear deal of radios as a TV show. And I appear ever cast and I got that didn't would you a pep didn't would you not done it quite ye. Says he has opam bodie agrada woni owusu bempa dem konfo ni sofo a maka mo ho abom because say munyina burusu motia spirit e na ye adwumanti ma combine ne mo ho abegina say e na ho o bi refi e na ho akra na oyi eni bibi ye sasra ena eyi ho atwe ne ben no ena nam so ma ne sakraye my brother akonfo sen wati na sakra no Ghana o su bemba akonfo sen ena wo na obetumi sakra agrada akonfo sen because say mon fa ena for papa mon build this serious background that ebetumi protecting with dignity ebetumi protecting with face ebetumi protecting mo nkanko ofa nkwasi afo adamfo ofa nkwasi ebiti se na na edu ba chi di wachi a ofu afa akola di wachi wa yo papa onka bi nkyira wo mo papa no aso Formula TV no obegina so no ade owusu bempa begina so na papa panimu ade ti ho afudwene na wo kekanze mu Abraham bedasi wo ho no abeja no kekanze mu no eseme fafa so bi ambre ye Ghana fo yabe no manyam ni ayi o enyini che o wo ka asema ebe ma obi wura ato as a pastor ameze Bible na ekwa no munnim mo Bible no emeboa Mudi Christianity ato from RIP Christianity in Ghana RIP most of them God bless our homeland Ghana and my reverend say also bempa any upon one can be dark in their church so that me tell say we God bless our homeland Ghana never out attack you dear one na do beche ene opam one chief ne bagina so enra mo ye no as a man of God mo hu kramoni a en kramofo bagina so ye bida en kramofo Muslims Ghana is half Muslim half Christian meboa da bia asemu si no na ubekom na eye Christofo na izan kwasa asem no asem beba no ubekom na eye menyan ma Christofo Aden it's about time we have to talk. We will keep quiet. We will keep fighting for the truth. We will still fight for the betterment of our country, our future Ghana. Rollins were fighting dead your because of fighting, yeah. So we say or a detectives or a DNU. Where we I can't me. Now I got that even the band of the TV stations where the band man finished to continue from. Agrada. Where the band man finished Oba would da bear matchy. Oba would da bear matchy. Nana Agrada would da bear matchy. What's a water shuffle? Who clear shuffle? I won in the warrior. The bear matem. If you need to continue from Uber comes to one she and a da. Uber come not glad that when she a prophet one da. When you send ye Nisuni by quantity. San and come my prophet one. Uncomun no. Not prophet one on she a glad that. Now be a prophet one. Shani na usi kasa agrada atwase mo no. What did that now? A big question. Yeah, that one here. We Ghanaians we are asking. Would you make sure that they chase bomb? Would you say I got that do the pemwa? None of them want to be an I am be a prophet 1 year. What's your glad I'll pay? anase waka se wanu ina akọ ada busumfie pen na enokre. We are asking ourselves because dia wo kan ne dia agrada e kan no ya bo abra baabi nyame anim nokra di mba me ka nokra nkyira mo ya akọ baabi baako wo si agrada ahobon ne twa bon oju nipa mu a na obi adwane mebua Satin agrada so ba bonte se oni wada abusumfie 3 days no obi a wakwada abusumfie okoye oba wada abusumfie 3 days ya wonware ye de se etwa be bonampa entie me se prophet one de aga ade ka no me de mo anum asem o na me combine no when you are talking you watch your tongue. Things are not meant to say. Private parts are not part of the fight. If you are fighting with somebody, there is something called privacy. My sister, my brothers, if you are fighting her, can't you but fighting with privacy, and quality means should be. Yes, I ma. Yachi. Social media is so powerful, say. So what can some and answer so big bibi fa one a better YouTube, Facebook for the rest of your life. Woma channel. You don't know them. Woma video no. You don't know them to contact them. Say, hey, remove my video from your wall. And Zuckerberg cannot go to the person and say, well, video na post to you. No. There are certain things it's about time. We should use social media to educate my brothers, as for pastors, also bempa. If you want to be a pastor, be a pastor. So person it's getting out of hand, it's getting too much. Obia na ka sam tewa elzo ka bi hwera Air Force. Send head to bed to go for akola ketwa ya na ni nsa de obegina wo didi matami akola me metimi awo no na do bed to friend ho sofo e na ka je na no se calfort obi nti ase he wako fa akola me metimi awo na bedidi matam and you call yourself a pastor. Listen, Bible says monchie akola ne kwan no munyina wo manfiri ho hwe ade a wo de kira akola ketwa atendidie na odi me no be manhwe but wo mo hwe ye be ka kire me ena ka jan said tena bi be ti onim nyansa ena owu be mpa de na bata no ho eti wo hwa nyansa be nyansa sembe pa na akoya na no ayese ka foot be ka ache owu be mpa because you just said wonin se the chichia Makacha mesi edidi atam. So wudi matama. It sounded in my ears like singing praise and worship. Aha, that's how me thinking let's yapaye. Edidi atam enya shiyo. Edidi atam enya shi. Edidi atam obedi abwa kwasia abwa yatia bre. Gamu ye. Opam wonka wo be di atami wo punchlines ya wo di be di atam but private part in na be mu no you are disqualified as a pastor agrada so sa konfo tete no na abosom ena ruli your country meboa now can say na ka conform e de be lead yenya anka amai no ba bedru sa me awa betema dinzemu say enkom na nyina e gira agrada so because wodin kwasia fo na twa no ho ahia eya de wodin nyansafo me kwasia ejimtime me woda But who the answer for? They advise you correctly. Nyasem bia nye soso. Dia wasa soso no no soso. Akamu ye recently woke up back and forth with somebody. You drop that, you continue your programs. While you are on social media, you do your programs, normal programs. For some time, and then the baby bank, but no. There be an agreed national, and a man, who are you? Get na 6 feet. No, who's a party, one man, winning men, we are wine. We are wine, also Bempa, who are you? Empty barrels make the most noise. Empty barrels. They make the most noise. Mummy and say, Namu ye empty barrels. Nyamiani mukreni. Nyansani pianim. Agrada. Also Bempa. Prophet 1. Agrogosemve. Ozeveze. Pastor Juan Eduardo. Obofo. Prophet 1. A TV as not Odizem. Nana do back. As you be matata. Dabia no as a pastors, no be nation and am with me. Nanka buma awiase fo kranye. Nanka wiase fo ye na se man of God what yesim. No be siesie nyaka se Sophia ya die. Sophie wabem abekasa edi year to year da the but as of they are fighting over supremacy. They are fighting over who is nation prophet. That's the secret of their fight. How dare you? Adana moyaza mu gwa Christopher animas rodo mu kuya Christopher animas muche klamoni be na asori waga na wodi to trust them say that. So this one, you turn yourself and mark and clamophobia to travel. But the Amuye a terrorist act. Time as I come across them Wagana. Software and a near BMA and a bayan prophet 1 or who's been Nana. Also, they also put a guy on. What a guy I say. What a guy I say. When it Tigazi free no, one chosen a guy is it your own. He has over trouble. Edward no cast away a guy. No, be also. Why a guy 1 year Usubai. Any job a young. And the Bema will be appointed after you way or a guy. Aha. Now you fear nunca. Common sense for common sense. As who said what the trouble or Subam and made it to a Facebook wall. As some kind it's on point. Baby also Bempane Prophet 1 directed also Bempa Prophet 1 way opening. And then Miami Papa Bedukobi biblical food Sophia na fuka krakai. Oh Kennedy, the software is getting out of hand. We must stop it. It will lead us nowhere. At the end of the year, Mabako, Ebequacodu. And he, and the year money and Anambacodu. If it has ye imponio, ye could put in Yabaswa. And as I'm crying, start here. Who is going to stop it? Who is going to stop them? Samurai. Akokra utimwa fugre. Abati wa bebe dem kasa en makasa. me can of red where I the hardest truth or be a country me catch them. I am criticism first class. Mummy, we should use our platform to educate, not insulting. Also, a bambet now I can say, do I do me? Who's them biddy dinner and dinner? Bamba wanted to challenge him. Sending no man, I knew you might Ghana for another day. And 1 year, Benny away a pastor, not a 1 year pastor. Aha. Maybe the miniped and make credit in our mamma. So, Obekume. Aha. It won't come. What do me? The domain and not the whole Ghana need to say he's the prophet. Waka. Some kind of a boom, but a day and to Obiano. Me? Say, Yakupon Makwamas, I didn't see a man crabia. NSC. The percentage always a pass. Ni motiana or the edge man, and you be the victim your hand down. And you be the bet in your hand down. Aha. Me dear Bacope. Monsieur Flem or Batiwa. Vim Powerhouse Bacope. No bagawaya. No Tatafunyanya. The one and only true sayer on social media. Kevin Taylor, Emmett. Yes, it was who feeling and I'm some check up. I and no cry the workers on it here. O can no cry, and you be far. I can say, Uber Chantro, never do 10 minutes home bachelor Chantronia 2K, 4.5K, 6.5K. Oh, we are going to part. I will never do that. Never. I won't do that. I will continue to say the truth. And that truth will set me or better to a free for life. A better. Madam, I say, Bidiano or better to a Vim Powerhouse. Bacope. No tata funyanya, no bagawaya. Bunkanche agrada say. Onyai. Na say adwuma na wo wafa no wafa so opese woyem 1 year. 1 year adwuma no. Na Ghana fo hu so agrada ye adwuma no. Adwuma na dey izo. Share. Umpom. Easy. What? Any now the okoko obi kaze. Any pan was coming crofo na. Wo ko expose no. Ono so do did no wan twema. Enti I was a omu ya den. Omu aya den. Now it expose no. Aha. And now ujim enkunimdie no. Ba obedi di wata na udidi ni bia. Aya many agrada ka prophet we dey matam na ka mi expose no more. Aha. Sanya kontokwa ba wodidi wata na zo benya no enkwasiasem bi koso. Enkwasiasem bi koso for Facebook. No, don't do that. Ebe kakra no. Make sure mu strat and tokomu strategy. Me pe obi a wode be wo so no ma che tokomu strategy. Me medi watam bi. But I'll come and expose you. Who di matam na expose you? Who di matam na expose you to nonsense point. Ghanaians na baba bedi watam anwo jai. Sanya kontokwa. Madam ase medi bo besia ya. Agata ba. Ye adwuma no. Mama bye.
Do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Like and share all videos you see from Vim Powerhouse. Thank you.